Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So, our ongoing topic is Excel tables and its advantages. Okay. And in our previous session, we showed you how you can quickly create a table. You can quickly convert the existing tabulated portion of the worksheet as a professional table. Table has to have some heading rows, as a header row with the data, and it has advantages that you, whatever, especially the formulas which are entered, they are automatically extended on any in new future rows. Any rows you enter into the future, all the formulas are copied, so you don't have to worry about that. And uh, we showed you the discount edition, right? So a new column was added in the table of customer. So and the discount for the New York City customers was shown by means of formula. Okay, so this is the part two of our series. Let's make it part two, right? And this is lesson number 110. 110 videos have been so far updated, uploaded in my channel. So this is part two. Okay. So in this, we will discuss the messages which are appearing when you load the file and why they are appearing and how these are to be fixed. Uh, eh, we have showed you that you can uh, validate your worksheet as soon as it is loaded. That the structure of the sheets are consistent. If they are not consistent, such a message will appear, because in the customer sheet, you remember, we added a column. We added a column that is discount. So that is a change in the customer. So your system, which we displayed you, we give you the demonstrations in previous videos that the validation will be performed on the upon of the on upon the opening of the video, and it will check it out if all the columns are intact, and if there is any inconsistency, it is going to. So it is showing you that your customer table structure has been uh, uh, inconsistent. There is some changes. Okay, so that is right because we added the discount column. So how to fix it? Let's click OK. Let's go to this, and uh, we see that there is no validate sheet because it is all the time hidden as a very hidden attribute. Okay, so to and in the customer also you have this column, right? So how you can settle it? So our procedure is that whenever you get such an error, you got to go to the view code, and in the view code you are going to go to this workbook, and this is where it is hiding, right? It is hiding the things, right? So we we put a breakpoint in here, right? And we run this, right? So that the validate sheet appears with the message, yeah, that the customer sheet has been discrepancy in the structure. Okay. Okay. So, oh, this is the customer sheet. We can go. Yeah, yeah. So this is the customer sheet, and its columns are listed, and it finds some discrepancy, and there we know that what is the discrepancy. So let's go to the customer, and we take this column, this description, press Control C here, and we go to the validate sheet and immediate to the last rightmost column. We in the next column we will write discount, right? So this way you have settled the issue. This is one way of doing it, and this is a manual way of doing it. And the automated way is also available. Okay, first of all, let's check that it is working. Okay, we go there here, and in the view code, we stop this one. We stop this. We remove this breakpoint. Okay, and we close it. Now, as soon as you load the file, or as soon as you uh, manually go to here, so there is no message. No message means it has validated it, and you can still run it by and see that you view that, and you see, right, and you run this. So this will also result in the same, right? So no validation problem is there. So you have handled it. The other way of handling this is that uh, you can let the computer do it. You don't have to uh, do it manually. That take the column which was added into the customer and go to the. So the other way is that you unhide uh, the interface. You unhide this validate sheet. So let's run it. So it is in unhidden now, right? Right. And you can see. So you have added it. So let's, for example, you remove it. You have you remove it. Okay. If you go there, right? So it will since it is alter F11, you do that. You are in the break mode. That's why it's not in. So let's remove the. Let's put a breakpoint here. Leave the breakpoint in here. We stop it, and we come. We run. We come back into the validate again. This time it is running. It is showing you the error, right? When this shows the error, right, then you would put a breakpoint and this, and then in here you are going to go to view code of the validate, and here is the point in which we have written a warning. That warning means you can temporarily make it equal to, so that it stops. It does your job automatically. You don't have to do it again. Okay, so it will now bring the missing column of its own. You don't have to do it. So okay, so let's go on. You come back here, right? It has brought it again. Okay, so this will stop, and this will remind you that you have to make one is not equal to one back in here. Okay, one is not equal to one. Yeah, so that it is mm, uh, it functions more. Now you click back, so it is fine. It is doing its job, right? So, but why this is not hidden? So it will be very hidden as soon as you run this procedure in the this open workbook, right? and you run this procedure, and you will find that the menu will appear, and you log in, and there's no validate sheeting, means all are validated, and the code and the customer table is in line with what we have in the validate sheet. So this is was to show you that. So we will be converting all the data available in the in our module, like employees and product, inventory, all to be added, all to be converted into the tables instead of the plain worksheets. These are non-table format, so it is always good to convert them into the table, right? So that is professional also, and it saves the time and effort for you, and we will do it. Okay. So in the customer, we have the table. This is the only sheet we have the table with the formula. Anything which we add, so the formulas are not to be copied manually; they will be done automatically. And then you have the added advantage of the filters, right? So the filters will be working, and you have the added advantage of the readability. The readability, it is more readable as compared to this. It is less readable. This is more readable, efficient, professional style of it, right? And so this was our teaching. Well, in the next video, we will convert all the tables uh, uh, and we'll show you what experience we get, and we will share it with you. Okay, thank you.